Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to make 3D text effects using Canva. Here we've got a blank design. I've just got the standard 21 by 11 inches and we're going to head over to text. We're going to select text and select add a heading. Now we're going to type in our text. So I'm just going to type in hello. Now we've typed in our text, we are just going to change the font. I am going to change the font to brush script. Now we're going to enlarge our text so we can see it a lot clearer and position that in the center. Next, we're going to change the text color. So I'm going to change that to be green. Next, we need to head up to effects and we need to select an outline. And down here on the color swatch, we need to make the outline the same color as the text. Once we've changed the color, we're going to increase the thickness of the outline to be 80. Next, we're going to click on there and we are going to duplicate. Once we've duplicated the design, we are going to select effects and we are going to select shadow. Here we've got some options that we can change. So we're going to change the offset to be 25. Next, we're going to change the direction to also be 25. For the blur, we're going to make that 35. And for the transparency, we're going to make that 100%. And now on the color swatch at the bottom, we're going to change the color to be bright pink, and when I select this you'll be amazed at what happens. And there we have our 3D text effect. Making the 3D text effect is possible using the Canva free version, but if you would like to try out Canva Pro for free for 30 days, then please click on the link in the description. I think this is a really quick and easy way of making amazing 3D text effects for your designs. Hope you enjoy this tutorial and I will see you again soon.